What is up, YouTube? I am blown away by what I've seen today. There is this brand new video app which is like nothing I have ever seen before. It is so incredibly cool. I have to show this to you. You're absolutely going to love it. It's coming up in my review of Storyxy. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can polo successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. The cat food that my cat refuses to eat. She just went and stole food that's meant for another cat. We have 3 cats here. Could you believe that? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products and I make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap. Okay, Bart, really? You have to do that every single time? Do you know how annoying that guy is? He's more annoying than trying to catch this cat. My sister brought over another cat, and he's a very sweet cat, but he decided to hide somewhere, and we're trying to find him, and we can't find him. Bart is more annoying than that. That's how annoying he is. Okay, seriously, Bart, get a life. Seriously. Anyway, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship. Well, thank you, Liz. See, Liz is a fellow New Yorker, so I can't really get angry at a fellow New Yorker, can I? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is Storyxy. Now, I'm not even about showing the sales page. You can see the sales page. There's a link down below. What's important is this software. This is ridiculously cool software. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you pick a scene. So for example, let's use Terrace Night. Okay, and it's going to load up for us. I'm going to show you how this thing actually works. This is just going to blow you away when you see how this thing works. And I apologize, my computer's kind of slow. This is a pretty old Mac. I actually just bought a new Mac Mini M1, so that's exciting stuff. But in the meantime, I still have this pretty old one. So, okay, so you can see here we have a terrace, you know, that's a 3D terrace background. Now, we can add a character. So let's say we want to use, I don't know. I have a couple of them downloaded, I thought, maybe not. Ah, here we go. We have Theo downloaded. So let's use him. Okay. All right, so Theo's in there. Whoops, we got him twice. Okay, 1 second. Let's get rid of one of the Theos. We only want one. Let's add another character to talk. Okay, so let's see. Let's get a female character. I think I downloaded one of them. You can see all these things where the cloud button basically means you have to download it off the cloud, which is not a problem, but I don't want you to wait while I'm downloading off the cloud. And I recall downloading one of these when I was testing this earlier. Okay, whatever. Let's just go ahead and download Lizzie and we'll wait for it to download. You have to see the way this software works. This is just beyond belief, okay? And you can see there's a whole bunch of characters here that you can use. They're really, really cool stuff here, okay? And really bizarre, just how crazy this software is. I absolutely am adoring this software. By the way, it goes for $27. And I do want to tell you about my bonus while we're waiting for this thing to download. My bonus is insane. I have a collection of over 2,200 1080p and 4K videos. Okay, Lizzie is downloaded. Let's use her. Okay, and so you're going to get my entire collection of videos, plus you're getting a collection of sound effects and a collection of music. Plus, you're getting my course on making killer VSLs. Plus, I'm going to show you how to do it all using completely free software. Okay, this usually is something that I charge $47 for. You're getting completely free as a bonus when you pick up Storyxy from me. But check this out. Okay, so we have these two characters, and we can actually add phrases. So let's use him. Let's use Theo, and we can actually add, this. We can have him say, okay, and we can actually edit this as well. Obviously, you can paste in dialogue, whatever you want, and basically they can actually have a conversation with each other. And this would be a recorded video that you can actually use to sell something or demonstrate something, whatever it is. Okay, you can add in uh, as many characters as you like. You can add in different audio backgrounds. You can add in delays. You can have them look at specific things. Okay. You can even have them walk. Okay. I mean, this is crazy stuff that you can do with these characters. You can actually have Theo go ahead and walk, and we can play it back. Okay, and it's wild what you can do with this thing. And of course, then you can go ahead and record it and upload these to YouTube. And these are completely unique videos that you're never going to see anywhere else. They do have the text to voice, which is actually pretty good. You can I don't know if you can hear it on my recording because I'm using a headset, but you can actually have them each have their own text to voice, and they can use different sound effects, different voices as well. So it's really, really incredible stuff. And again, as I said, you are going to go ahead and pick up my entire collection of videos with my killer VSL videos. So you can use that information to build these things. Of course, you can also intersperse this stuff with regular, more traditional video, which I think would make for some killer stuff. We could have these guys talking and then like have a cut scene to one of the videos that in my collection, and then go back to these guys talking. That I think would make for a killer video that would really, really make for something just absolutely awesome to use with all these different effects that you can have. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give it to man as a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, seriously, you rock. This thing is blowing my mind how cool this is, what you can do with this. I am so loving this software. This is incredible. You got to grab this one. This one is so good. You're going to love it.